So guys, there I have taken you some important questions of social science from deep analyzation of Gala and Marvel. I have prepared 20 questions in sum of social science, and I have also science important questions. I uploaded it on my channel. Okay, so let's start with first question is clarify the topic Manrega program. It is most important, so I have tick star. Second, write a short note on Red Fort of Delhi. Third question, explain waterlogged area with concept. Fourth question, which are the duties of consumer? Explain in detail. Okay, it is also important, so I have tick star. Those are tick star is very important. Fifth question, differentiate kharif and rabi crop. Sixth, give reasons for the destruction of wildlife. Okay. Seventh question, explain the relation between soil and human life. Okay, is ancient. Eighth question, describe astronomy and astrology. So you have to prepare it well. It can be differentiate also. Okay, here. Okay, ninth question, terrorism is a global problem. Explain. If you prepare the top questions for your board, it will be very helpful for GSEB board. Okay. 11th question, 10th question, give information about tribal dance of Gujarat. 11th question, why rivers are known as Lokmata? Explain it. Okay. 12th question, write about scientific heritage of India. 13th question is differentiate terrorism, rebellion. Okay, we have to differentiate between terrorism and rebellion. Here is 14th question. Okay, 14th question is what? Describe ISI, ECO, EPO, AGMARK. Okay. 15th question, explain the terms science, technology, plastic surgery, stylistic therapy. 16th question is very important, explain world labor market in detail. It is very important questions of SS for this year exam. Okay. 17th question, we have to explain relative and absolute poverty. Okay. 18th question, why water crisis occurs in India? Give detail. 19th question, describe the schemes for women welfare by Indian government. Okay. 20th question, explain consumer rights in detail. So these are the 20 questions which are very important for you. Okay, for social science. These questions are very important. I have tick star, so you have to prepare it well. Okay, so if you got help from this channel, so support us.